Okay, so today I'm going to be making an attempt to give these two pots a good cleaning. Of course, it was in the back of the truck for a while, so find that. But these pots are definitely some collectible pots that I found somebody was throwing them away, and immediately I know what it was. So I said I'm gonna restore them. So let's get into it. No, I don't know if this is gonna work. I plan on pressure washing. Alright, so I'm gonna make an attempt to restoring these two pots. Where is this one? It's not aluminum, I don't know the brand, but I know this one is for sure. Where is it? It's a coveted pot, you know, people would buy. Say hello there, bunnies. This little terrorist, eh? Yeah, any chance you got to get out of there. So I have to put a little band here, because he would push his head out. Push his head out from there. And somehow open up this little latch here and get out. So watch him there. There's another one over here. Young bloods. So let's get to it. My plan is to use this pressure washer to knock off these this black substance here, gum, this black gummy. Yeah, I mean using a steel wood and some sand and to do it, you know, it seemed like it'd be too much. So this was a brilliant idea. I thought it was a brilliant idea, but you see, it's not that easy pressure washing a pot. It'd be nice if I had a sandblaster. Sandblaster would have take care of this. Remember when I was working in them plants? So you start sandblaster, you push your hand in the sandblaster there and you start blasting something. It come out so shiny and new again. Yeah, the pressure of the sun. Anyway, the water, giving it a shot to this water, but this water thing works. And then it's so much more harder to controlling the subject on the ground, the pot. So the other option here. So let me see. Still have to restore pressure washer. It doesn't do much. Still gonna give it another try. See, maybe I'll put my foot on it. Maybe that might help. Just keep the pot in place and go closer. Change the goddamn pressure washer nozzle, but again, no result when it comes to getting off the black thing. You really get off the mud. You really give it a good cleaning, take off the mud and those light stuff. But that oil, that grease, it's not so easy to remove. If somebody have an idea or no easier way, well, the pressure washing it makes such a big difference. They clean it, but still rough. So my plan is to go to the other stage. I like to get all that black gum off of it. Yeah, another stage is gonna just go to the hardware store. So my next option, I'm gonna use a sander. Yeah, I'm gonna use a sander. That's my next option. Trying to get this to a shiny stage where you could get the most out of it. I guess we gotta secure this a little better. Spend some time just going over this pot, going over all the surfaces, all the corners, the nicks, the knacks, and just spend some time just removing this black gummy, whatever this is, on the years and years of you know, doing what it's supposed to do. And seeing a difference, that's for sure. Yeah. So this is a collectible roast oven, Dutch oven. Yeah, I know there's a lot of people who you know, they may remember years when the grandmother used to roast ducks and whatever, you know, use this pot, and now they of age now, they feel like they wanna relive those moments with the elders, right? So you know, they want to go out and find the exact pot the grandmother used to cook in. See, and it bring them a connection. So you know, people go out looking for wanna find these. But they don't make these anymore. This is, yeah, they make similar ones, made in China ones, but we're done with this here, so this must look shiny. See how it is. Come out all inside. Right? Still just some more to go, you know, all inside, try to get it to a level where somebody might say, okay, it's suitable to be in my kitchen. Alright, so I'm gonna continue with this. I'm gonna pause the camera, then you know, show the end results. Alright, so I have to change my my bit to this wire bit here. Nobody in cooking in the bushes again, you know. See, unless you're a hunter and you out in the elements and you out there, you know, cooking out there in the woods. But most people, they got a nice kitchen. Is we live in 2022, where everybody looking for the next best thing and the, you know, the fancy thing, you know, the look, right? So anyway, continue here. So try to get all this corner and just sand it down, scrub it down, put a little you know, some elbow grease, right? A little sweat, right? And bring it back to life. Bring it back to life. So yeah, I see the shine start coming in now. Start get a little shine. Yeah, just yeah. Get it to a state where it's presentable. It doesn't seem like some dirty stuff that come out from the trash. Right? You bring it back to life. See, it's a service I'm providing. I'm providing a service where this item would end up in the landfill or in the metal yard. Right? And for piece of aluminum like this part here, you probably might get $2-3 for it, in the metal yard. Of course, it's easier to do that and keep moving. You don't have to sand and grind and figure out all this here to get it shiny. You just go and get $2 and keep it moving, right? Do something else. But this is stuff I like to do. See, I create this channel to really show behind the scenes of Kingsman. Some may know me from just doing my reggae music, as I like to chant reggae music. But reggae music don't pay no bills. This is what you have to do. You have to be doing something other than reggae music if you want to take care of your liberty. Right? So anyway, this is the result. This is the result of what I did. Way better than what it was before. Yeah, I could spend some more time on it and getting into it. But I think it's sellable. It should be able to get about $70 on the online marketplace.